The Autodesk Vault mobile app gives you the flexibility to work with your vaulted design and engineering data on your mobile device. Search Vault and work with design data, bill of material items, lifecycle states, and change orders. Take your CAD designs with you onto the shop floor, on-site, and out to meet your customer. As a designer or engineer, you author the documentation required to communicate your design to your colleagues and customers. Vault helps you to securely manage your data through document check-in and check-out and process control with lifecycle states. You can securely track and control the data you create to make sure that we all see the right data at the right time. But how do you manage your data when you're away from your workstation? The Vault mobile app allows you to search and navigate your Vault to work with your data on the go. Browse your design's file structure to find the relevant files or attachments that document your design. Preview your 2D and 3D data and check out your non-CAD data to review your designs with a colleague or customer. Take Vault to your colleagues on the shop floor to collaborate on design for manufacture, or take Vault off-site to your customer for a design review. When your review session is complete, check your document back into Vault with a comment to let others know what's changed. Vault Professional provides a great way to manage change on your projects through integrated engineering change orders. The Vault mobile app helps you to create a new change order from wherever you are, directly from your mobile device. Check in documents from your mobile device and add them to the change order. Add comments to the change order and submit it into your system. The Vault mobile app will automatically sync the change order to Vault, and the new information will be visible to anyone with access to your Vault immediately. For every document author in your company, there are many document consumers who need to access your vaulted data. Document consumers may not have a dedicated workstation to access vaulted data, so what could be easier than accessing Vault from your mobile device? The Vault mobile app means you don't have to go to your data will come to you. Search and navigate the Vault or use a QR code to associate vaulted data with drawings or equipment in the real world. View 2D and 3D files, measure components, and find the associated documentation all from your mobile device. Work with your design and engineering data anywhere, anytime with the Autodesk Vault mobile app.